This nutritious snack has a sprinkle of sweetness from honey. Learn how to make fat-free honey granola bars with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, add the quick cooking oats, whole wheat flour, wheat germ, and ground cinnamon. Mix to combine, then add in the honey. Fold until the mixture is moist and crumbly. Add the golden raisins, then fold to combine. Then, grease a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Pour the mixture, patting it into the baking sheet. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until lightly browned. Once baked, cool to room temperature and cut into bars. Serve and enjoy! Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.